Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from the Ingenious Engineer. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. Before we get started, make sure to follow my Instagram page at the Ingenious Engineer or through the link in the description box down below. And make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content. The DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor is, as the name suggests, a sensor that measures ambient temperature and humidity. It is very easy to code with Arduino. It is also cheap, small, and accurate, which makes it great for DIY projects. The DHT11 has 3 pins. The one on the left is the data pin, the one in the middle is the VCC pin, which uses 5 volts, and the one on the right is the ground pin. Here is the wiring diagram for the sensor. Here is the code for the sensor. I'll put a link to it in the description box down below. First, we include a library that will help us code the sensor. I'll put a link to that too in the description box. Next, we tell the Arduino what pin the sensor is connected to and what type of sensor it is. Then we continue to the void setup, where we start the serial monitor. This section of the code measures the temperature every 4 seconds, and then we continue to the void loop. In here, we create some variables for the temperature and the humidity, and then print those variables in the serial monitor. I uploaded the code to my Arduino, and I've connected it to the temperature sensor over here. It's also connected to my computer, and the serial monitor is pulled up, as you can see. The temperature readings are quite accurate, at 21 degrees Celsius, which is around 70 Fahrenheit. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe, as that would help me a lot. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.